Screaming back up.
Face the other way, I can't see you. Down, 2 to go. Let's do it again.
No. Wait, you can't talk to me. I'm a curtain.
When the lights talk to her. Ooh, I wanna be there. I must stay. Oh. Besides to see me, I know. Seriously.
This is really big.
You can't sit with us! No. Brutus is just as cute as Caesar, so why don't we just all stab Caesar? So anyways.
I love you, girl.
I just have a lot of feelings. There's a 30% chance that it's already raining.
Now here's the thing. The ghost cat and the ghost band really like it when we come and turn the lights off and play hide and go seek in the dark. We play hide and go seek in the dark.
About 7 to 8 people. 7 to 8 people. Really dark.
Aaron,
We have one stage left.
Jazz
And
Jazz
we
hands.
play.
Jazz hands. Hide and go seek in the
No,
dark.
it should be other way. Other way. Other way. There you go.
No, you gotta make that little thing that goes like this, and then you go like.
I hate that.